there. Can I get a cup of chai, please?
Sure thing. Regular or strong?
Regular? Please. How's your day going?
Not bad. Just busy. You know how it is. What about you?
Same here. Hectic day at work. Need this chai to recharge.
I hear you. Chai works wonders. Anything else with your tea?
Nah, just the chai for now. How much is it?
$2. Here you go.
Thanks. By the way, do you know any good places to eat around here?
Yeah, there's a small place 2 blocks down. They serve delicious kebabs.
Awesome. I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Enjoy your chai and the kebabs.
Do you have any snacks to go with the chai?
Absolutely. We have got samosas, pakoras, and some cookies. What tickles your fancy?
I'll go for a couple of samosas, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yeah, do you have any ginger in the chai? I love it with a bit of ginger.
Sure thing. I will add a dash of ginger for you. Do you take sugar?
Just a little sugar, please. I like it balanced.
Got it. Your chai and samosas will be ready in a jiffy.
Thanks. By the way, have you heard about any interesting events happening around the neighborhood?
There's a small art exhibition at the community center this weekend. Might be worth checking out.
Sounds cool. I'll mark that on my calendar. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Enjoy your chai, samosas, and the art show if you make it.
Hey, speaking of events, do you know if there's any live music happening around here?
Oh, you're into music? Yeah, there's a cozy cafe nearby that hosts acoustic sessions on Fridays.
That sounds perfect. I'll have to swing by there. Thanks for the heads up.
Not a problem. It's a nice spot. By the way, are you from around here?
No, just moved in recently for work, still exploring the area.
Welcome. Hope you are sitting in well. Finding everything okay?
Yeah, it's been good. People are friendly. And I'm slowly getting used to the neighborhood.
That's great to hear. If you ever need recommendation or anything, just ask.
Thanks, I appreciate it. It's nice to have friendly faces like yours around.
Anytime. Enjoy your chai, samosas, and the music when you go. See you next time.
Hey, before I forget, do you know if there are any good bookstores nearby?
Yeah, there's a cozy bookstore just down the street. They have a nice collection of both new releases and classics.
Excellent. I'll have to check it out. I've been meaning to pick up a new book.
It's a gem of bookstore. You will definitely find something interesting there.
Thanks for the recommendation. By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much, just catching up on some rest. What about you?
I might go for a hike if the weather's good. There are some beautiful trails around here.
Sounds like a plan. Nature is always refreshing. Don't forget to pack some snacks for your hike.
Good idea. I'll swing by here for some trail mix before I head out.
Perfect. I'll make sure to have some ready for you. Have a great hike.
Hey, quick question. Do you know if there's a gym nearby?
Yeah, there's a decent gym just a couple of blocks away. It's got all the equipment you need for a good workout.
Awesome. I've been meaning to start working out again. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. It's always good to stay fit. Just remember to stretch before and after your workout to avoid any injuries.
Thanks for the reminder. I'll keep that in mind. Oh, by the way, Do you have any recommendations for a good playlist to listen to while working out?
Absolutely. I have got a few favorite upbeat playlists on my phone. I can share them with you if you would like.
That would be fantastic. Thank you. I'm always on the lookout for new music to keep me motivated.
Sure thing. I will send them over to you. Let me know what you think.
Will do. Thanks again for all your help. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help. Enjoy your workout and the music. And don't forget to hydrate.
Hey, before I forget, have you tried the new cafe that opened up on the corner?
Yeah, I stopped by there last week. The coffee is fantastic. And they have some really tasty pastries too.
Sounds great. I'll have to check it out. It's always nice to have more options for a caffeine fix.
Absolutely. Let me know how you like it when you go.
Will do. Oh, speaking of trying new things. Have you ever been to that new fusion restaurant downtown?
Not yet, but I have heard good things about it. They mix different cuisines, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be really unique. I'm thinking of going there for dinner this weekend.
Well, let me know how it turns out. I might have to try it myself.
Definitely will. Thanks for the chat and all the recommendations. You're a fountain of knowledge.
My pleasure. Anytime you need advice or just want to chat, I will be here. Enjoy exploring the new spots.
Thanks. Take care and see you around.
Yeah, good oil.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments for more interesting conversation.